Most business owners think nominee directors are only for secrecy. That's wrong. Used correctly, they're completely legal and incredibly useful. Used wrongly, they can destroy your company. Let's explain, simply. A nominee director is a legally appointed director, whose name appears on public records, but who acts only under written instructions from the real owner. They don't own your company. They don't control your business. They simply represent you contractually. Many businesses use nominee directors for three main reasons. First, privacy. It keeps personal names off public records. Second, international setup. Some countries legally require a local director. And third, compliance. Banks and regulators often ask for it before approving accounts. Used correctly, it's a standard business tool. Nominee directors are commonly used across several industries. International e-commerce businesses, operating across borders. Consulting firms, serving overseas clients. Holding companies, managing multiple subsidiaries. And global trading businesses, handling import and export operations. In these cases, nominee directors help simplify international structure, not hide ownership. Nominee director services shouldn't be viewed as a cost. They're better understood as value. First, risk management. They help reduce exposure by structuring representation correctly. Second, compliance insurance. They support regulatory and banking requirements. And third, operational support, providing local presence when founders work remotely. When done properly, nominee directors protect businesses. They don't just fill a legal role. Even with a nominee director, responsibility doesn't disappear. You remain legally accountable, you remain the beneficial owner, and you remain responsible for compliance. Nominee directors change visibility, not liability. At RTRSupports Limited, every client is assessed individually. Nominee director services are only recommended when they're appropriate, legal, and genuinely beneficial. Each structure is built with compliance first, and with full protection of beneficial ownership, because the goal isn't just formation, it's long-term sustainable business setup. The key takeaway is simple. Nominee directors provide representation, not control. Used correctly, they support global business. Used wrongly, they create serious risk. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more business explainers, and comment below with your questions.